Hello friend, in the first session of this tutorials, we have learned how to create the Kubernetes cluster in AWS environment by using the EKS. But the ultimate goal of this course is to real-time problem and issue faced by the DevOps engineer or the SRE members in Kubernetes. So today we are going to see one of the requirement that is required for the DevOps engineer. So if you see the block, then you can see the one of the DevOps engineers has few requirement, and he is going to create one pod, and the requirement for the pod, create a pod name pod HTTP using the HTTP image with the latest tag, and ensure to specify the tag like this HTTP column HTTPS. The second requirement is set the app label HTTP underscores app and name the container as the HTTP containers. So let's go through the YAML file as per this requirement. So this is the YAML file. First one is the API versions. API version for pod is v1 and kind for pod is pod. Then we have the metadata and name we have given the pod HTTP. Then labels, we have given the label for this pod is HTTP underscores app. Okay. Then in the space part, we are going to give the container. The container name is HTTP containers, and the image we are going to use the HTTP underscore latest as per the requirement. We need to give the HTTP underscore latest, and the second requirement is label the app HTTP underscore app. So in the metadata we have labeled the app as the HTTP underscore app. Then we are going to apply this one on the cluster, our Kubernetes cluster. Then we are going to check the status of the pod. So let's copy the this code. The blog link I will be attached in the resource part of this session. So let's copy this one. Then go to your the clusters. So this is the my clusters. Create one file vi pod.yaml and click enter. Then insert whatever you have copied, just paste here. Then save it by accept colon wq. Then if you see the YAML file is here, cat pod.yaml. So same YAML file we can see here also. You can see by the cat command also our YAML file is there as per the requirement. Now apply this YAML file kubectl apply 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 -f, then your YAML file name pod.yaml, press enter. Then you can see the pod is created. We can double confirm by the kubectl get pod. So in this way we can create the pod as per the our requirement. Let go through the requirement once again. So our requirement is create a pod name a pod HTTP using the HTTP image with the latest tag and ensure to specify the tag as the HTTP latest. And the second requirement is set the app label to HTTP underscore app and container as the HTTP containers. So in this YAML we have set the label at the HTTP app, and the image we have the you use the HTTP lattice, and container image we have used the HTTP containers. Thank you and happy learnings.